Alright, I had to stop and take a look at this. I've never seen one of these in person. I've only seen pictures. I'm guessing this is kind of a home-built version of the Cadillac pickup. Yeah, this is not a real one. Okay. It's still super cool, though. Still super duper cool. So, they actually made, excuse the noise, they actually made Cadillacs like these. There was some conversion company in the 70s, but this is not it. The real ones had a much more finished back section. It kind of had a different kind of area back here. It wasn't just a cab that was shortened. But that's super cool, though. What a great advertising piece. Awesome. Love it.